VitaFresh is the latest cooling technology from Bosch. It keeps vegetables, fish, and meat fresh for an extremely long time. Our task was to increase the awareness level of this revolutionary cooling technology to our target group. We spoke to people at a place where freshness matters to them the most. In the supermarket. For that purpose, we developed food dummies. Fresh meat from an age of a time long, long ago. Juicy dinosaur legs, fresh mammoth steaks, and tender saber-tooth fillets. Marked with our label, we placed the fresh Stone Age meat in the freezer sections of supermarkets for 1 week. That's how we surprised a lot of customers with our message. Keeps food fresh for much longer. Thanks to a QR code, curious people were directed to the web special for more information. Leaflets were used to attract the attention of customers, as well as supermarket announcements.
Zum Beispiel extra frische Mammutsteaks in der 8 Kilo Familienpackung.
In 6 days, we reached approximately 75,000 people.